Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Afterpay on Amazon. It's pretty simple. So in the past you could directly link your Afterpay account with Amazon and use it as a payment method. But of now Afterpay is not accepted by Amazon. So you need to go through a different method. So first what you want to do is come into afterpay.com, the official website of Afterpay, log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, over here where it says search, you want to search for Amazon. Once you search for Amazon, it is going to display Amazon gift card to you just like this. Now once it displays Amazon gift card, you can choose the amount you want on your gift card and click on buy for yourself. Once you do that, it is going to take you to the transition page of Afterpay where you are going to pay for the Amazon gift card. Once you buy the gift card from Afterpay, you can redeem the gift card in Amazon and use it as a form of payment on your Amazon. So that is how we guys can use Amazon gift card, or how we guys can buy stuffs on Amazon using Afterpay. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future Afterpay videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.